Cruising gives you every kind of sea condition, from glass-like calm to wild and choppy waves. Which do you prefer? If you ask me, I think this is my perfect sea day. It's nice and calm, sun shining, love it. And if you get a sunset, then that's even better. Yeah, this is perfection for me. And I don't mind this. A little bit of movement, but I won't call it choppy. Yeah, this is okay because especially the ships you go on nowadays, the big modern ships, the stabilizers, you hardly feel that movement at all. There's only one time really that I would say we had a bad experience. And the video on the left there was our bad experience. We were on P&O Iona, travelling on the 1st of January out of Southampton through the Bay of Biscay. There was a massive storm that had delayed us by 2 days, and another storm was coming in. But Captain Wesley, the hero, saw a little gap in between the storms and said we would be totally fine. The ship was creaking, it was rocking, it was swaying. These videos do not show how bad that experience was. Have you ever experienced anything like this, or maybe even worse? Please share your experiences in the comments. I'd love to read them. So let's finish this video on a site that I'm sure most of us can agree is one of the best at sea, the wake of a ship. Happy cruising, everybody.